In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a shared Google Drive folder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set one up, choose the right permissions, and send access to the right people without worrying you've missed a setting. First, open Google Drive. You can do this in any web browser by going to the Google Drive website and signing into your Google account if you aren't already. Once you're signed in, you'll see your main Drive page with your files and folders listed in the center and a menu on the left. Next, decide whether you want to create a brand new folder to share or use one you already have. If you want a new one, look for the New button, usually toward the top left of the screen. Click it, then select Folder from the menu. A small box will pop up asking you to name the folder. Pick a clear, descriptive name so everyone you share with will understand what it's for, then click Create. The new folder will appear in your file list. If you already have a folder you want to share, just locate it in your drive. You might see it under My Drive or in a subfolder. Take a moment to make sure you've chosen the right folder, since anyone you share it with will be able to see everything inside, depending on the permissions you set next. Now right-click on the folder. On most computers, this means clicking with the right mouse button or using a two-finger tap on a trackpad. A menu will appear with several options related to that folder. From that menu, click Share. This opens the Sharing Settings window, which is where you control exactly who can access the folder and what they're allowed to do with it. You'll see a field where you can type in people's email addresses. In the box that says something like Add People and Groups, enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the folder with. Type each email carefully and press Enter or Return after each one so they're all added. You can add individuals one by one, or you can add a group email if your organization uses them. Take your time here because these are the people who will get direct access to everything inside the folder. Next, you'll choose the permission level for each person. To the right of each email address, you'll see a drop-down menu that usually defaults to Editor. Click that drop-down to change it, and you'll see three main options: Viewer, Commenter, and Editor. Select Viewer if you only want them to be able to open and read the files without changing anything. Choose Commenter if you want them to be able to leave comments on documents but not edit the actual content. Pick Editor if you want them to have full control, meaning they can open, change, move, and even delete files in the folder. Think about what each person actually needs to do and match the permission to that. You can mix and match, giving some people viewer access and others editor access depending on their role. Once you're happy with the list of people and their permissions, you're ready to send the invitation. At the bottom of the sharing window, click Send. Google Drive will email each person you added, letting them know they've been given access and providing a direct link to the folder. After that, they can open the shared folder from the link or find it in their own Google Drive under Shared with Me. And that's it. You've created a shared Google Drive folder, set the right permissions, and sent access to the people who need it, or